Happy World Mental Health Day!
What brought you joy today?
Today, my coworker told me that one of the clients said I was his favorite teacher.
What is your favorite self-care activity?
My favorite self-care activity is getting my nails done.
Hey Danny, how do you model self-care for your clients?
Model self-care for my clients right here. Right out of work, 4 o'clock hits. That's me modeling right here.
Karen and Jeanette, how do you de-stress after work?
How I de-stress after work? I like to cuddle with my dog.
What brought you joy today?
Working with these children.
Or seeing your favorite coworker.
What advice do you have on self-care?
Take time for you every day and do one activity you enjoy.
Curtis, how do you de-stress after work?
So after work, it's good to find yourself a little outlet. For me, I like training mixed martial arts. It's good. You got team building. You got other people there with you. Some that are more advanced, some that are still building up. And you'll find your proper placing. It's great, and it just gives you a sense of purpose, something to work on yourself, physically, mentally. It's a good de-stressor, and I love it.
What advice do you have on self-care?
My advice is people, when they talk about self-care, usually talk about like yoga or meditation or breathing. If your self-care is video games, that's okay too. Self-care is just what makes you happy and helps you unwind.
Hey Jin, how do you prioritize your mental health?
I prioritize my mental health as I try to have a regular gym schedule at least 4 to 5 times a week. And just hit the weights after a long day.
When you feel overwhelmed, how do you regulate your emotions?
Well, I normally like to take a deep breath and try and refocus at the task at hand. I also like to try and find something to read, as it helps calm me. It puts my mind on something else, or maybe even just 5 or 10 seconds can really help my mind to refocus.